Welcome back to another Dollar Tree Empties. I don't even know how long it's been since I done a Dollar Tree Empties, so we might as well jump in. So the first item is the 100% pure cotton rounds, 80 count, from the Assured brand. Awesome. I think these are great quality. They don't leave a lot of fuzzies coming off, peeling on your face when you're removing your makeup. These are ideal for makeup removal, witch hazel, toner, nail polish remover, ton of different things. These are awesome, and 80 for $1, it's a great deal. Two other Assured brand products I have here. I have two packages of the 100% pure cotton balls, 100 count, from the Assured brand, and these are also ideal for makeup removal, nail polish removal, applying your toner. These are soft and gentle and absorbent like the packaging states. These are really nice. I love using these for nail polish removal, and it does have a reclosable, resealable bag, which is always really nice. Hand sanitizer, Assured brand. This is comparable to Purell, and it's the instant hand sanitizer, kills 99% of germs, and it's the aloe mix one, and 8 fluid ounces. I do miss their bigger bottles, but still 8 ounces for $1, you can't complain. And now more than ever we need this stuff, and I am so thankful and blessed that I had somewhat of a stockpile before everybody started buying like crazy, because fortunately I didn't have to run out and do that because I had been already purchasing this item, so I was already picking up one every time I went to the Dollar Tree, whether or not I needed it or not. Two secret deodorants. These are the powder fresh ones, and 1.7 ounces of product for $1. Name brand Dollar deodorant. Seriously, I love this stuff. I usually don't use any other deodorant but this. I love this deodorant. It works for me. It lasts all day long. I love the scent, and I love that I can find that for $1. I have a White Rain moisturizing conditioner, and I've repurchased this many times. I do not use this for my hair. I use this to shave my legs. So if you didn't know, you can kind of dry shave your legs using conditioner. I guess technically it wouldn't be dry shave, but you could shave your legs without water basically, and it works fantastic. My legs are super moisturized. I never have any nicks or cuts. It also depends on the razors you use as well, I believe. But White Rain coconut hibiscus scent, 18 fluid ounces for $1, and this lasts me a few months. And if I run out of hair conditioner, which is typically what I run out of first, I'll have some backup in that bottle for my hair. So moving on to some kids stuff. I have the kids foaming bubble bath, watermelon scent, 20 fluid ounces. I love this stuff. It suds a lot. It lingers in or entire bath time. I love this foaming bubble bath for Connor, and so does he. I love the scent. I love everything about that product. Also have several bath bombs. So I have the Crayola bath bomb. I got this for him for Valentine's Day. It did smell like grapes, and it also turned the water purple, which he loved. No skin irritations there with the Crayola stuff so far. I did get this one, the blue, yellow, green color twist bath bomb, and this one had a blueberry scent. Very nice. I can still smell it in the packaging, and it did change the water different colors, which was always fun for the kids. Another Crayola bath bombs is the Crayola Silly Scents Twisted Bath Bomb. This was the apple watermelon scent. This one was fun too. It tinted the water. It smelled great. Connor loves bath bombs, so those are a win in our house. I have the Bolero Cranberry and Sweet Orange Bath Bombs 3-pack, and these smell nice, very moisturizing, very soothing bath time. I liked these as well, and I used them on Connor. I also have the Bath Treasures bath bombs in the Starry Sky. I actually used these, and they were very nice. The scent of them is kind of like a fresh scent, but also kind of a blueberry scent to me. It kind of reminds me of a generic blueberry gummy, like from way back in the 90s, that I don't even know. Like, this is just what it reminds me of. It triggers that memory for me of a gummy lizard. Weird, right? But I really love these. I will purchase those again if I find them. And I have the Sesame Street flushable toddler wipes. There's 32 in here, cushiony thick wipes. I don't think these were very thick. I don't think these were very cushiony, but to carry in the purse or have on the back of the toilet. For Connor, these did work good. It says they're scented. They really didn't have a scent to me. They were just okay. I would repurchase these though because they did work for what they were supposed to. For $1, 32 of them, you really can't beat it, especially for just having and maybe having in your purse and stuff like that too. Several Bolero products coming up. I have the Bolero Coconut and Rose Oil Soap, and this is their moisturizing hand soap. And it's a natural coconut and rose oil, and you get 13.5 fluid ounces with this. This stuff was great, very moisturizing like it says. It sudsed really well. It cleaned my hands really well. I actually really love this, and once again, an item at this time point in our life is high demand. Bolero body polish, coconut oil and sea salt. Honestly, I hate this product. It's 6.5 fluid ounces. It is supposed to be a body scrub, you guys, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's a liquid. Very few and far between scrubbies in there. And I don't know. This wasn't for me. It didn't work for me. I didn't like anything about it. I didn't feel exfoliated or anything after using it. And you can tell that I used more than half of that bottle to try it out and test it. I hate it. I will not be repurchasing that. Now, I do have the Bolero Bath Soap, Coconut Oil, and Sea Salt. Love this. Went back and purchased like 2 more in a coconut and 1 in a watermelon scent. This gave me about 4 baths. The directions on the back say add 4 to 6 tablespoons into your bath. So that gave me about 4 baths. And this is paraben free, color free. It did smell like coconuts. Made my skin very soft, moisturized. I felt hydrated after using this. Like, I really, really liked this bath soak. So I will continue to purchase that at the Dollar Tree. I have a bunch of Bolero wipes. I have the facial wipes in the fresh lavender and citrus scent. 30 count. All these wipes are 30 count. These wipes are awesome. Super saturated. I love the scents to them. They are nourishing. They are cleaning. These are for all skin types and they're advanced formula. I don't know about the all skin types or the advanced formula, but I will say these are very nice. They do clean off all of my makeup, even waterproof, nourishing skin. My skin feels, I like to use these also in the morning when I wake up and just kind of have a refresh. These are perfect for that. I love them. Okay, I also had them in the cranberry and sweet orange scent. Really nice. And this is probably my favorite scent. Oud packaging though, the coconut and mango. These are very hydrating wipes. All of these are, you guys. They don't dry out my skin. I feel hydrated and refreshed after using them. They're really saturated with makeup remover. And I love that about these wipes. Quick tip, I always say this in my videos, store your wipes upside down so the top one is always wet and ready to go. So I love the Bolero wipes if you can find them at the Dollar Tree. I usually always pick up 1 or 2 anyways when I don't even need them. So, okay, I have the Albolene Eye Makeup Remover. This was 0.85 fluid ounces. This is like a thick gel makeup remover. This was a very good makeup remover. I used it on my eyes and it is gentle, it's effective, and I do recommend trying this if you can find it at your Dollar Tree. It does remove your makeup so quickly, and it says even the most stubborn makeup was absolutely true. This little guy was awesome. So if I find him again in the future, I definitely will repurchase him. I don't have them to show you, but this was a 3-pack of nail files. They're glittery ones before they started putting them in packages like the cardboard packaging. Sometimes they would come in like the little just plastic casing like this. And I love their nail files, so I always like to shed some light on their nail files. These, like I said, had hearts and glitter on them from way back in the day. I have a drawer full of nail files that I picked up from them, and I personally think they're great. Now, I've used some nail files from there in the past that are not great, but these were really good. The ones I found, the ones that have the glittery backing on them are always pretty good in my personal experience. Another nail polish I have here, I have the Pure Ice High Shine Top Coat, and I like this top coat. I did get this in 2 packs, but the reason why this one has to go is because the lid was open in the packaging, so the product was just drying out, and it was very thick and goopy, not like the other top coat that I got, so I knew immediately this one was just kind of a no-go. Okay, another nail polish. This is always repurchased. Something spilt on it. As you can tell, something oily. But is just the basic white nail polish from LaColors. This one's Energy Source, yes, and I repurchase this all the time. It's a great thick opaque nail polish, and it's opaque in like 2 coats, but it's pretty opaque in 1. But I always apply 2, and it's really not that streaky, you guys, for $1. So it's a really good white nail polish if you're on a budget. And then the last couple products I have, this is just Ode. I did pick up this Bonnie Bell eye mascara from the Dollar Tree. It's purple, and I wish that it didn't. It smells like it's turned, definitely, because it had a really nice mascara wand, and it has beautiful purple shade, like a purple, dusty purple shade, not like the lid suggests, but more dusty. Very beautiful mascara, but unfortunately it definitely turns, so maybe we can find some more color mascara in the future there. And then last but not least, I have this LaColors brow pencil. So one end was a highlighter with a sharpener, and the other end was the brow, and I used the brow side completely up. I love the brow side. I didn't love the highlighter. I did use it a bit, but I did not love it, so that's on its way out as well. If you find the double-ended brow pencil from Dollar Tree, it's really good. It's pigmented, it's waxy, it sets in the brows really nicely. It lasted all day. I have no complaints about this product. I loved it. So that's my Dollar Tree empties, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Found some products in this review that make you want to go out to the Dollar Tree and try them out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links.